Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package to unbox. This is from Etsy, but it's not for my planners and it's not a craft. And honestly, it is probably something I could make myself, but I decided that I don't need to be the person that makes everything. There are some things that it's okay if I buy. So let me tell you who this is from because I know that you guys will want one as well. This is from MDC and so I guess it's MDC Handmade Customs.etsy.com. And I already have one. And it says, "Thank you, Tammy. Please leave feedback for my shop if you are happy with your order." And her name is Mercedes. And this is mine. I think this is adorable. I love this mug or tumbler or whatever. And my daughter loves it. So my daughter might be a little bit spoiled, but I can't help it. She's my only daughter. Well, that's not true. I have stepdaughters, but she's my only daughter, and she's a good girl, and she's just plain fun to buy for. She's appreciative and all the things you would want somebody to be. And she's going back to college. So I got her one too. Isn't that cute? And then on hers, oh, she put Katie on the back. Isn't that cute how she did that? I thought it was going to be like here, but that's really cute. And it's underneath, so it is epoxied on the outside. So you can wash this, you can do things with it. I would still hand wash it, and I think it does say handmade item disclaimer. It does have what to do in there. And I believe that these are about $25. So hers is a little bit different than mine. I have a glittery crown and she has a gold crown. Her glitter goes up a little higher than mine, and of course she has her name on it, and I don't have anything on mine. I didn't realize that she would customize. I probably wouldn't have anyway, but I thought that since she's taking this to college that she'd probably like her name on it, because I like custom made stuff anyway. But so I may have, but honestly I'm good without it. But I thought that it would be cool to have her name on it. Oh, I should leave this unboxed or open so I can take a picture of it. So if she leaves it somewhere or whatever, because she has done that before, it'll have her name on it. And I know that she's the only girl in her class that's named this, or that has this spelling for her name. And I know that she's the only that in the whole school, because their school is so small. So that's pretty cool. Now this one is because she likes the St. Louis Cardinals only because her boyfriend likes the St. Louis Cardinals, and she's not a sports fan, but I thought that this would be fun for her to take to the games, or because I know they are going to a game, or just to have. I thought she would enjoy this, so I'm probably going to save this one for her and give it to her for Christmas, or maybe opposite. Maybe actually, I think I'm going to save this one for her and give it to her for Christmas, and this one I'll give to her for the summer because I know she's going to a game. So that's what I will do. But those are just so cute, and she does such a great job. So again, I will put her link to the store below, and I hope that you guys check her out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.